How to fix Rocket League lag on Epic Games easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix it. First, just open Task Manager, right click here and click Task Manager. Now go to Details and now scroll down until you find Rocket League. Let's say that this is Rocket League. Click on it, right click, set priority and click high, and then change priority. I don't mean to do it to this one here, I mean just scroll down until you find Rocket League, and that's it. After that, click right click here, NVIDIA control panel. Now just wait, and once you're here, click use my preference and then move it to performance and click apply, and that's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.